Hello guys. Today's video will be about Printify. Printify is an online platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and sell custom print on demand products. This platform provides a wide range of products to choose from, such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. Let's head to the website. Create and sell custom products. 100% free use. More than 800 quality products, largest global print network. Trusted by over 4 million sellers around the world. Let's start for free. You need to register. You can use your email or password to sign in, or you can go with Google, and I prefer keeping up with Google. This is only Arabic. I'm not a magician. Yes, I can speak Arabic. So, what describes you best? I present a non-profit organization. I represent a company. I'm a social media influencer. I have my own e-commerce store or others. Just me. Next, what is your main objective? Start my first online business, grow my current business, order products for myself, order merchandise for a company or organization or others. Let's click start my first business. What would you like to what would you like help with? Design, no marketing, not how I get started. I don't need help at the moment. CEO, the store setup, I'm just exploring, yes. How did you find about Printify? Shopify, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram ad, friends or family, TikTok, Google search. Yes, I Google it. Thank you for your time. What would you like to do now? Order sample, connect to your store, design your custom product. Browse in the Printify catalog. Always look for hidden phrases. Okay, I think that's I get it now. So you just have to draw on your shirt. So here we have your account. You can upgrade it from here. Let's see the plans. We have monthly plan, 10 store per account, unlimited product design, up to 20% discount on our products, order management with Printify Connect, and you can save 40% by choosing the yearly plan. So they just have two plans. Let's go back. Here we have my dashboard. You can start selling. You need 5 steps to complete your profile. So here, the second is design your first product. Search. Nope, I'm not completing it here. We have my account settings here. Name of the business. Contact detail, my full name, my email, my phone number. You can add an additional phone number. We have the addresses where I live, files, and design. I have none. The payments that I receive or made. My balance is 0. I have no card, and we here you check your premium plan. Here we have the tax settings. If you are out of the USA, they will explain anything if you are in or out. Here we have the rewards. No rewards. My store. I didn't connect any store. And here the website settings. Standards and format. These settings apply globally to your Printify account and products. Use metric system like anyone else on earth, or you can use the imperial system like American do. We have the time zone, the email notification, the frequency and format, the login details, personal data, and you can delete the personal data, which means delete your account. That's on here. You can get samples from here and get inspiration. Browse catalog. So one of the main benefits of using Printify is that it eliminates the need of upfront inventory investment, which is particularly useful for small business and entrepreneurs. Instead, users can design their products and Printify handles the printing, the packaging, and the shipping process once an order is placed. This allows users to focus on creating unique and personalized design for their customers. Printify also offers integration with popular websites and platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, making it easy for users to set up and manage their online store. In addition, the platform provides a range of features to help users optimize their businesses, including real-time shipping rates, automatic order fulfillment, and access to global network of brand providers. So when you need any help, you can check the help center here to follow your orders. You can explore best-selling products to get inspiration from. So overall, Printify is a great option for anyone looking to create and sell customized brand on demand products without the need for upfront inventory investment. Its user-friendly interface, wide range of product options, and integration with popular e-commerce platforms make it a convenient and efficient choice for small business and entrepreneurs. So the pixels are too small and you add your design here. You will be familiar with those email those anime things. Yeah, we all already saw something like this. But the cup thing is good. Bag, the notebook, the shirt, the blanket, the phone cases, and you can put your design on one of those and sell it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.